In this video, we'll show you how you can clear the system storage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you go to your phone's storage menu and if you notice that the system section is using unreasonable amount of storage, there are some things you can do to free it up. So for that, go back to the main settings page. Here tap on software update and here check for any pending software updates. If there are any updates downloaded, you simply need to install them. Once you do install them, your Samsung phone will delete that software update file and free up that system storage by a few gigabytes. So make sure to do this first. Once you have done this, go to the apps menu right here. Now here you will see a list of all the apps on your phone. You simply need to go through the apps and find the ones that you aren't using. So for instance, if you are not using Android Auto, simply tap on it, go to storage and then tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done this, you can also disable the app from here. So this will basically uninstall the app, but the app will remain on your phone so that you can get it back anytime. Alternatively, you can also uninstall its update and it will free up storage space. So you basically need to do this for all the apps that you aren't using but can't also remove. So once you have done this, you should be able to see the system storage reduced. So go back to the storage menu and this number right here will be reduced by a few gigabytes. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.